Why does your scanner show the P0411 engine code? What does it mean? P0411 is a diagnostic trouble code for secondary air injection system, incorrect flow detected. This error code indicates that it means your car's computer has detected that the air pump responsible for reducing emissions during cold starts is not pushing the expected amount of air into the exhaust. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: failed secondary air pump, clogged or faulty check valve, leaking or damaged hoses, electrical issues, moisture or ice. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Chevrolet, Volkswagen, and Audi. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.